Are you looking for a fun breakfast casserole? Have I got one for you? It's an Eggs Benedict casserole. Let's make it. I've got some Canadian bacon and I'm going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Spread half of your amount on the bottom of a casserole dish that's been sprayed. I started by toasting 6 English muffins in the oven. I'm gonna butter each one. Chop them into 1-inch pieces. Put half of those chopped English muffins on top of that Canadian bacon. The rest of the Canadian bacon goes on top, and the rest of that bread. Grab a bowl. We're gonna need 8 eggs. To the eggs, I need to add 1 1/3 cup heavy whipping cream and 2/3 a cup of milk. We need a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half teaspoon black pepper, teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of mustard powder. Whisk it together till it's well combined. Sprinkle about a cup of Monterey Jack on top. Evenly pour that mix on the top. I'm going to cover it up with some foil, and then I'm going to refrigerate it overnight. I'm looking forward to the morning. Well, morning is broken. I brought it out, and now I'm going to stick it in the oven at 375 for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil and then cook it for an additional 15 minutes. Okay, time to make the hollandaise sauce. We need a blender and we need 4 egg yolks, a half a cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tiny dash of cayenne pepper, and a dash of salt. I'm going to blend it for 30 seconds. I've slightly warmed a stick of butter. I'm going to add that into it, and then I'm going to slowly blend it in, a little bit at a time. Wow, that looks good. Let's slice it up. And pour on that hollandaise sauce. Egg Benedict Casserole. I'm excited. Wow. Absolutely stunning. What cheese society secretly rules the world? The Illuminati?